In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry. As always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. So here we go. Given triangle ABC is isosceles with base AC, that means that AB is congruent to BC and that these two base angles down here are congruent. Next, triangle ADC is isosceles with base AC, meaning that AD is congruent to DC and that these angles down here are congruent. Next, AD bisects angle BAC and CD bisects angle BCA, telling us that all four of these are congruent. If angle BAC and angle BCA are bisected, they are divided into two congruent angles. So all four of these down here are congruent. Measure of angle B is 20 degrees. Find measure of angle ADC. Angle ADC. So now, here's what we know. We know that these two congruent base angles are divided into four congruent smaller angles. So we're going to call this x and x and x and x. We're going to give it a variable. Then we know that 4x plus 20 equals 180. Therefore, 4x equals 160. Therefore, x equals 40. So if this is 40 and this is 40, then 40 plus this angle is 180. So then 40 plus 40 plus the measure of angle ADC equals 180. And thus the measure of angle ADC is going to equal 100. So then this is 100 degrees. This is one of those algebra problems that looks very tricky at first, and you think, how am I supposed to do this? What you do is you assign variables to unknowns, figure out if you have angles that are bisected, angles that are congruent to other angles, things like that. Then you make your equations and you solve. If you mess it up, you try something else. As always, run through this 3 or 4 times. You should get it.